Welcome to our video on anti-aging superfoods. Today, we're diving into the world of lesser-known superfoods that can help you maintain a youthful glow and vibrant health. While many people are familiar with common options like blueberries and avocados, we'll explore some hidden gems that pack a powerful punch in the fight against aging. Natural remedies are becoming increasingly important as we seek healthier alternatives to conventional treatments. Join us as we uncover these nutrient-rich foods that not only taste great, but also offer incredible anti-aging benefits. Get ready to transform your diet and embrace a more youthful you. Superfood 1. Moringa. Often referred to as the miracle tree, Moringa is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that make it a powerhouse for anti-aging. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, Moringa helps combat oxidative stress, promoting healthier skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Its high protein content and iron levels can also boost energy, keeping you vibrant throughout the day. To incorporate Moringa into your meals, try adding its powdered form to smoothies, soups, or salads. You can also steep Moringa leaves in hot water for a refreshing tea. Embrace Moringa for a natural boost to your health and beauty. Superfood 2. Seabuckthorn. Seabuckthorn is a vibrant orange berry known for its remarkable benefits in skin rejuvenation. Packed with vitamins C and E, along with essential fatty acids like omega-3, omega-6, and omega-7, this superfood is a true skin savior. Its rich nutrient profile helps enhance hydration and improve skin elasticity, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a youthful appearance. To harness the power of Seabuckthorn, consider using its oil as a topical treatment for dry skin or adding Seabuckthorn juice to your morning routine for a refreshing boost. Your skin will thank you for it. Superfood 3. Amaranth. Amaranth is a nutritious gluten-free grain that offers impressive anti-aging benefits. With a high protein content and a complete profile of essential amino acids, it supports muscle maintenance, which is crucial as we age. Consuming amaranth can help prevent muscle loss and promote overall strength. To incorporate this superfood into your diet, try cooking amaranth as a warm breakfast porridge, topped with fruits and nuts, or use it as a base for salads mixed with vegetables and a light dressing. You can also add amaranth flour to baked goods for a nutritious twist. Enjoy the benefits of this ancient grain. Superfood 4. Black garlic. Black garlic is a unique superfood created through a fermentation process that transforms raw garlic into a sweet, tangy delicacy. This process enhances its antioxidant properties, making it even more beneficial for your health. Rich in compounds that support heart health, black garlic can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Its distinct flavor makes it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. You can use black garlic in sauces, dressings, or spreads, or simply mash it into mashed potatoes for a flavorful twist. Incorporating black garlic into your meals can elevate both taste and health benefits. Superfood 5. Sacha Inchi. Often called the Inca peanut, Sacha Inchi is a remarkable source of omega fatty acids, particularly omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining overall health and play a significant role in promoting healthy skin and reducing wrinkles. The high antioxidant content in Sacha Inchi seeds also helps combat oxidative stress, further enhancing skin vitality. To incorporate Sacha Inchi oil into your diet, drizzle it over salads, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a finishing oil for roasted vegetables. Adding this nutrient-rich oil to your meals can support both your skin and overall wellness. Superfood 6. Baobab. Baobab is a nutrient-dense superfood known for its exceptionally high vitamin C content, which plays a crucial role in enhancing collagen production for healthy, youthful skin. This powerful antioxidant not only supports skin elasticity, but also helps combat free radicals, promoting overall health. In addition to its skin benefits, Baobab is rich in fiber and essential minerals, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. To incorporate Baobab powder into your meals, try adding it to smoothies for a tangy flavor boost, mixing it into yogurt, or sprinkling it on snacks like energy bars or oatmeal. Enjoy the benefits of Baobab for vibrant health. Superfood 7. Spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae renowned for its incredible nutrient density, making it a top superfood choice. Packed with vitamins B1, B2, and B3, along with essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Spirulina also boasts a remarkable protein content, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Its detoxifying properties help cleanse the body of toxins, promoting clearer skin and a healthier complexion. To incorporate spirulina into your diet, consider adding the powder to smoothies, mixing it into salad dressings, or stirring it into soups. You can also find spirulina tablets for a convenient supplement option. Embrace spirulina for enhanced health and vitality. Remember, incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly improve your overall well-being and help you maintain a youthful appearance. We love hearing from our community. Let us know what you think, and please share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to embark on their own journey towards better health. As always, take care of yourself, and thanks for watching.